Okay, my preferred method, zero product rule. I'll just go through it quickly, but I will erase it because this is not the point of this section. 7x, 7x, let's see, 4 and 1, plus 4, minus 1. And what would you get there? Well, 49x squared, 28 minus 7, 21, minus 4. So I know my answers now. X equals 1/7, or x would equal minus 4/7. Are those answers listed? Of course they are. But that's not the point of this section. The point of this section is to recognize a pattern. And I want to point out what pattern they're trying to recognize here. The pattern they're trying to recognize is this one over here, that ax plus b, when squared, would give you a squared x squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right? That's what let me put a 0 down there too. That's what they're looking for. You know what? I shouldn't put a 0 there. We're not doing that. Okay? So we're looking for that. All right? So my question over here is, if I'm looking for that, I need to see that. And my first thing over here is to write down the problem. It's 49 x squared plus 21x equals 4. All right? So then the question comes is, what are you doing here? I mean, you got to get this, but you got to see that too. So what I'm going to do is multiply. I want to make it a perfect square, but I want to make it even. So 21, what would I have to multiply by 4? So write this over here. 4 times 49 x squared plus 4 times 21. I'm just going to write that. I'm not going to do it. Now I'm going to do the 4 times 4, which is 16. All right? So I want to point out, I need to recognize things. And I want to write this first term down. And what it's going to be, it's really 2 times 7 x, the whole thing squared. Right, now I got to look at this guy over here. And I'm kind of looking at it, and I see a 2. And then you see 2 times 21. And what am I supposed to see? An A and a B there. And so I'm supposed to see a 2 and a 7. That's not right. That's not what we're looking for. Again, if you see this quickly, please do not fret about it. So I see the 2 times 7, right? What else is there? There's a 3x. All right? So I'm seeing the A part. I'm seeing the multiple 2, and now I know the B is what? The B is 3. So what I have to do, add 3 squared to both sides, which is adding 9 to both sides. Let me get my eraser out, get all this stuff over here. This is one of the reasons I like this method. It takes thinking. Too much thinking if you rush to get an answer. So I think I know what it factors to. I'm going to write this down for you. It's a perfect square now. It's going to be 14x plus 3 quantity squared equals 25. Now certainly we can check this if you want, and you'll get that what you expect to get. And then let's keep going. 14x plus 3 equals plus or minus 5. 14x equals minus 3 plus or minus 5. 14x. And again, you should appreciate when I did it up here how easy it was. This is going to be minus 3. Whoops, I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to do that. Making it longer than I have to. X equals minus 3 plus or minus 5 over 14. I still have to do the arithmetic. X equals, well, let's see, minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. So minus 8/14, which can be minus 4/7. And the other one's going to be x equals minus 3 plus 5, which is 2/14, which is 1/7. Are we getting those answers? Of course we are. All right, what was quicker? The zero product rule was quicker. All right, but thank you for listening.